Imagine standing at the edge of a towering cliff, the pounding sea below. Your heartbeat echoes in your ears, your palms are sweaty, and your breath is rapid. Yep, that's fear. It's a primal response designed to protect us. But what if that fear holds you back? Here's a secret. Fear is not your enemy, it's your guide. It points you towards growth, towards the unknown, towards the extraordinary. So, how do you conquer it? Firstly, recognize it. Acknowledge your fear. Then, challenge it. Ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? Most often, the answer isn't as terrifying as you thought. Lastly, take small steps. One step at a time. Each step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Remember, bravery isn't the absence of fear. It's feeling the fear and doing it anyway. So, step off that cliff. Dive into your fear. You might just find your wings on the way down. Until next time, keep pushing your boundaries.